No, there are different ways of explaining that. And as so everybody know, I always try to look for a simpler way to do it. There are different ways of doing that. No, look at that. Let's go back to this expression, for example. I just thinking of a, let's put this expression right there in the middle. Let's put it on the side. And let's go back there now. And we are going to take another expression. You see, there is a thing about this. That's why this has its limitation, but it has its positive. You see what I'm doing there? I will not be able to do that on the chalk and board. Okay. Remember we said, whenever you see an expression with brackets, it is factorized. So these are factorized expressions. Okay. These two expressions are factorized because they have brackets. The brackets were completed by dividing. So we have to divide 4 into twice to get the 2y and the 3x, 3z minus 3z. We have to divide to get the x plus 2. The 4, you see that 4 there? The 4 is the factor. The 4 is the factor that is in front of the bracket. The 4, pay attention to the 4. That 4 there is the factor. It's looking simple, right? 4 is a simple number, 4. But when we come here now, we are not seeing 4. We are seeing x plus 2 in a bracket. The 4 and the x plus 2 is the same thing, if you want to put it that way. They serve the same function. 4 is multiplying to this. X plus 2 is multiplying to that. You have to get that clear. Pause on that a little bit, because this skill, I normally help university person, and I see all in university, some person still struggling with that. Okay, pause a little bit. Like a big jump from this to that. There is a thing. You just have a little 4, one symbol. When you come there, you see in a bracket, you see in a X, you see in a plus, you see in a 2, you see in a bracket. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 symbols to deal with. And then your mind, you're not trying to assimilate bracket X plus 2 bracket. Here you just have a simple 4. Okay. Now I'm going to show the process of clearing this one out. 4, we're going to take that 4. Oh, yes, so let me just, another idea just come to mind. Factorize expressions, clearing of brackets. Normally they call that distribution. You have to distribute. Okay. And you see why the word distribution is used. Always comparing this with chalk and board, and all of this, you cannot do that in the chalk and board. And plus it's been recorded, so you can replay it. Okay. Right. So now we're going to clear the brackets. So let me show you the process. To get back, to get it right, we're going to clear the brackets to get back the original expression exactly. So if right, so if we clear this bracket, we're supposed to get that back, isn't that so? We're supposed to get back, right? Very well said. Okay, because you're thinking of what you know. If we clear the brackets, we're supposed to get back the original expression. Because when you see something in bracket, it was once upon a time without brackets. Let me repeat myself. Whenever you see an expression with brackets, once upon a time, it wasn't with brackets. Something happened to it for it to end up with brackets. They call that factorization. So if you clear out the brackets, you will get back how it was originally. Okay, so bear that in mind. That's what is actually happening. Like a reverse process, you want to get back your original expression without the brackets. Okay, because normally an expression don't come with brackets naturally. It comes like that, an expression, bam, that's it. Okay, an expression. All right. Whenever you see something with brackets, factorization took place to put it in brackets. So if you clear the brackets, you're supposed to get back what you originally had. Okay. So this originally did not have brackets. So if you clear the brackets, you're supposed to get back what you originally had. How do you clear the brackets? By multiplying by the factor that is in front of the first bracket. So we have to multiply by 4 in a distributive fashion, because we have to multiply 4 to the 2y, and we still have to go back and take the 4 and multiplying it to the negative 37. You have to distribute the 4. So that's why you normally see, if you look at a YouTube or textbook, they call it distribution. So when you clear in brackets, you have to distribute. That 4 have to multiply. So here we go. That 4 have to multiply. Okay. That 4 have to multiply to 2y. Getting back, we're going to get back what we started with. That 4 have to multiply to 2y. And that same 4, and you see, look the arithmetic we do in algebra. Look the symbol for and that 4 have to multiply to whom? The negative 3z. It have to distribute, right? So replay that again a couple of times. Let me put this a little, let's see. Okay. That 4 have to multiply to 2y, and it have to multiply to minus 3z. Distribution. So what that going to give us? 4 times 2 is 8y. Okay. See it? Look at there. 8y. See? Getting back the 8y. And 4 times minus 3 is a negative 12z. Look the original expression. That's how it was before. And look it right there. Okay. That's how it was before. 8y minus 12z. Okay. So let's go over that again. All right. We have to multiply by the factor that is outside in order to get back how it was before. That 4 have to multiply to 2y. And yes. Yes. We on assignment 11, the last part of assignment 11. Yeah, look there. That's where we are. Expansion, clearing up brackets. Look at there. Exercise 2. But before we venture into this one, I'm giving you a simple example. Yes, yes, of course. And also we are recording here. Okay, right. Now, how are you sending it now? I'm uploading it on YouTube and I sending you all the link. I think it will take up less space in all your phones and devices. So I upload it on YouTube and then I get in all the links. So just click on the link. Okay. Right. So therefore now we have to distribute 4, we have to multiply, and we have to multiply 4 by minus 3z. Okay. And then we're getting 8y minus 12z. Okay. Likewise, we have to repeat that process here now. Okay. We have to repeat that process for this one.